Happy Monday! Today is Monday. Kahapon, nag-cook na kami ng ulam namin for the whole week. So, hindi kami masyadong mahirapan for this week. Because as you know, 2 weeks na lang. As in, full 2 weeks na lang. Alis na kami. So, I'm gonna start packing today. And we're gonna start moving some stuff. If time permits. So, it's just us. Nakaalis na sila Dada and Ate. And our house is just a complete mess. Like, when I say complete mess, I mean it. Bottles. We have lots of bottles to wash. Kasi nga, we bought bottles for him. Kasi we'll bottle feed him with formula ng nighttime. Oh, look at that. Kagabi pa yan, guys, yung mga kalat na yan. Hindi na namin naligpit kasi si Dada. I'm just checking every room kung may liligpit ako. Kasi si Dada, actually, we went kila Kim to have a party. Oh, this is our bedroom. Look at that. So messy. Yeah. And, pakita ko sa inyo yung ating mga tupin. Wow! Sobrang dami. I think this is majority of our clothes. Baka mag-timelapse ako mamaya. Kung matutulog to, baka yun ang una kong gagawin. Magtutupi. Kasi sobrang dami and nakaka-stress tignan. Yung mga tupiin. Sobrang dami kasi namin. The reason why it's a lot, kasi umulan last week and we didn't have the chance to do much. We were so busy. Anyways, I think matutulog na siya kasi it is already 9, almost 9 na. And he woke up around, I'm just gonna close the door. He woke up around 6. After niya mag-feed ng 6, hindi na siya natulog. Nag-feed ulit siya ng 7. So, 9 na. Oh, ang init today. If you guys can see that. Ano na ngayon? Max is, pero uulan ng nighttime. 26 degree. It's 3rd of November. So, we'll try to put him to sleep so that we can do our housework. I'll see you guys later. What a beautiful name it is. Change ka clothes. Okay, first thing is we're gonna cut to. First thing to do out of 100. 100. Tulog ng ating baby. So hopefully he'll stay asleep hanggang matapos tayo. Nagising na siya, but continue pa rin tayo. Try natin pa rin magtupi. ano na tong baby natin. Umiiyak na siya. So, hindi tayo natapos. But, we have progress. So, ito na lang. So, yan na lang. Ito na lang yung mga tutupiin ko for me, Dada, and Ate. So, itong mga nakahanger, ihahang ko na lang sila dun sa, ano ni Ate, dun sa cupboard ni Ate. And itong malaking basket na yan, yan ang mga sa kanya. So, ito lahat ng natupi natin at yun, mga ihahang. So, yeah, it's a progress. Hey, aga naman niya kasi nagising. Nagising siya, wala pa masyadong nagawang tupiin. So, ang gagawin natin, kahanap ako ng boxes na pwede ko. Uy, it's not your time yet, gusto niya magkapang-kapang. Ayan, natin siya. Wow! Ayan. Wow! Water. Water. Meron na tayong 3 boxes. Gagawin ko, mag-start na kasi kaming mag-pack today. So, ang gagawin ko ay ba't nandilim natin? Ang gagawin natin is hindi ka na makita. Wala kasi tayong magandang tripod na. Ang number 1 na gusto ko talaga sanang gawin ay, because mostly yung mga clothes natin ginagamit pa natin. So, ang ipapack ko ay yung ibabox ko na sana yung mga Christmas decors na nasa ilalim ng kama natin. So, everything na nandun sa ilalim ng kama, I'm thinking maybe pwede na natin silang ilagay sa mga boxes, moving boxes. Kasi hindi naman natin sila nagagamit na. So, ayun. Ang una nating gagawin, try ko lang mag-continue tupi. Kung papayagan ako nitong batang to. Haji. What's that? Starfish. This is a starfish. Starfish. This one is a seahorse. It's a seahorse. This one, what's this? It's a dolphin. 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 It's a dolphin. Yay! Si Miss Rachel ka? Hindi. Mommy. Mama. Mommy. Your girl needs sleep. Okay, come na. Mama. Sit down daw yung baby ko. Sit down. Open shut daw tayo. Open shut them. Give a little clap. Open shut them. Lay them on your lap. Creep them right up to your chin. Open wide that little mouth. But don't let them in. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them just like this. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them, and blow a little kiss. Mwah! Okay, let's go. I-ano na natin yung, i-blend na natin yung food niya para, blendan natin yung food niya para, i-carrier ko siya. I got these. I've got 2 carrier from Kim. So try natin sila. Kasi itong sana ba? Yung batang to, he's very clingy. Which is okay with mommy. I'm fine with that. But I don't know how to tighten this. Ganyan lang siya. But I need to tighten it. It's not yet your time, Baba boy. Oh, yun. Diba? Para tayong bajaw, 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 bajaw. This is good kasi ano naman siya, breathable. So, yan, oh. Kasi he have good head support na, so it's okay to use things like this. Yun. Okay. Dominant hand natin yung right. So, dapat sa left siya. Let's try. Uy, kainin yan. Sa left ka. How do I put you on the left? Ow! Ito ba? 1, 2, 3, up! Yan. Hey. Hungry ka na ba? Hungry ka na ba? Dad. Ipamimilk ko siya before siya kumain kasi para happy siya. Wow! This is going to be your food for 3 days. Yum! Oh, yum! Yum, yum, yum! Yum! Yummy, Mama. That is so yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Get in my tummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Get in my tummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Get in my tummy. Kulang natin sila. Tapos blend natin na, boy. Uy, uy, uy. Uy, uy. Gutom na siguro siya kasi. Anong oras pa ba? Anong oras na ba? Wait, okay. Ay, good. Ah. Di pa niya oras. Oh. Yan na. Yan na. Yan na. Oh, nalis na. Nalis yung mga paan niya. Ay, naku. Ay, ay. Sino yung blade natin? Itong blender pala na to, this is my mom's blender. Hindi na daw niya gaanong nagagamit. So, pinahiram niya sa atin. Magugulat ka. I think everything's blended well. It's very fast. Tapos, we'll put them sa container nila to. Up here. Hopefully, it will fit sa isa lang. If not. Ooh. And the thick. Kasya siya sa isa lang. Feeling ko, this is enough for 3 days. Kasi twice lang naman siya kumakain. Lunch and dinner. Nice. Maglalagay na ako sa bowl para kainin niya ngayong lunch. Tapos ref na natin yung the rest. Can I taste? Init pa siya. Lagay lang natin here. Roll them. Blow a little kiss. Blah! Sayang naman to. Nasubo na niya yun. fussy boy. Dede ka muna. Dede ka muna. Diba para kaming badyaw. Badyaw. Where's my phone? Kunin natin yung phone natin and then dede ka na. Sobrang init ng araw natin today. Well, yesterday is warmer kasi 28 degrees yata yesterday. So, today is only, I think 26. Yan na, milk ka na. I think only 26 today. Yeah. Pa-milk ko siya, then maybe mag-lunch na kami. After niya mag-milk. Para sasabayan ko na siya. Yeah. Kung hindi siya matulog, ha? Kung hindi matulog ang ating baba. So, ano ba? Our cheeky boy fell asleep again. So, ang gagawin natin is continue with our update. Halos wala na naman yung crib natin and we've put away yung mga natupi natin. Now, what we're going to do is set up ko lang tong box at lahat ng mga blankets natin ilalagay na natin dito. The ones na hindi na natin magagamit for the next 2 weeks. Tulog pa rin si Baba. Hindi siya pakasara kasi. Lagay natin sila sa mga black na trash bag. Just for some extra protection for the dirt. first box. I am trying to try natin pit-pitin kasi mga ano naman tong mga to. So, carry naman. I think okay na yan. Tapos lagyan lang natin siya ng label na... So yun, nakapag-box na tayo ng isa. Kain muna tayo kasi gutom na ako. It's 12... Almost 12:20. Nagising. Ito yung isang sling. I think this is better. Pero we'll try them both. Sleepy pa siya. For today is caldereta. Wala akong konti na I think mauubos ko. Kasi ang bilis mapanis ng mga pagkain ngayon kasi nga it's summer. Napanisan kami ng bulalo last week. Lunchtime. Parang kaming badyaw. Badyaw. Kakainin ko na siya. Buti na lang di ako kumain agad kasi at least makakain tayo together. tabing bahay namin, naglilipat din na sila, yung mga Filipino. Alis sila dito 1 week after, 1 week before us. So next week na sila. This coming weekend na sila. Ito na yung last week nila. Naantok pa siya. So nakatulog pa siya. Hi guys, we just got home. Na-pick up na natin yung dalawang makulit.
Hey! Oy!
What oy? And as you know, nakatulog siya kanina, so hindi siya nakakain with me.
Hey!
Kaaway na naman sila. So papakainin natin siya. Yan! You're gonna eat. Peace. What happened?
Kuya lied to me.
What lied?
He said I'm doing okay, but I didn't know.
No, you're not. Don't worry.
Mommy, don't do him. Mommy, can you bring me ice cream?
Okay, I'll give you ice cream. Sige na, sige na. Feed mo si Baba. Don't give it to him.
What's that?
Squash. Just dip
Is
it
that
like...
mango?
No, squash. You wanna try?
Yeah.
This is his first time having squash. Huwag mong pakapasok yung ano. Huwag mong bibigay sa kanya na kasi matutusok siya. Galit na galit siya. I know you want that but you can't.
Hey, my ice cream.
I'll give you. Sarap? Sarap?
That's yucky. Mom,
Okay, let's get ice cream.
have a date. We're not letting have a date.
We're gonna feed him na lang. Kasi it is... Ah. Not that. That's not the food. Sarap? Ay, sarap. Pero buti na lang din natin siya napakain kanina kasi if ever baka hindi rin siya mag-enjoy. Like this, sarap pa na. I think he's ready to he's ready na mag-baby led weaning, but Mama's so scared, but gusto ko lang muna i-savor yung moments na pinapakain ko siya kasi he's my baby boy. Hi, baby boy daw ko. Yung kamay mo, meron na. Baby boy yun. Kasi si Gab, hindi ko naranasan yung kay Gab. Kasi nga, well, not so much. Kasi baby-led weaning siya. Hey, cheeky boy, eh? Hey, look at that. Ito. I think Mama wants some ice cream. So, after nung napakita ko, after kong na-pack yung box, wala na tayong nagawa next. Kumain na tayo, diba? And then, that's it. After natin kumain, nagising siya, nagising siya nagising siya, tapos natulog siya ulit, while we're eating. Tapos nagising siya ulit just to dede. Tapos natulog siya ulit. Nagising na lang siya before we left for school pickup. Ay. I think this is not the correct bib for him. Kasi, look, it's not even, sinusubuan ko siya, so it's not even working as, like, it's not, wala siyang ginagawa. Where is your long sleeves bib? I think that's gonna work very well that's gonna work better for us than, ay, kinukuha niya. Oh, darling, this is very patusok. Ah. So, itong mga ginagawa ko na to, it's pure pure fruits muna. Wala pang, hindi ko siya nalalagyan ng breast. Hindi sila nilalagyan ng breast milk. See, nandudumihan din siya. Sa new house, on our next one, gusto ko meron tayong drawer for all his eating utensils and ates. So, isang drawer for them lang. Psst. Sige. Hanggang sarap pa. Sarap pa. Ang sarap pa. Ay! Finished in 10 minutes. Finish in 10 minutes. Bye.